Hello riders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you have ever been confused about getting the right helmet, you're at the right place. Today we'll cover everything from getting the perfect fit to simple maintenance tips that will help your helmet last longer. So stick around till the end and let's get started. Choosing the right size. One of the most common questions we get at MotoDrift is, which helmet should I buy? Use a soft measuring tape and measure around the widest part of your head, just above your eyebrow. And that gives you your starting size. But here's something important. Helmet sizes are not universal. A medium in a brand or a model can fit differently from a medium in another. That's why at MotoDrift we always recommend trying different brands and models so that you can make your final decision. How should a helmet fit? Now that you've got your size, how do you know if it actually fits? A new helmet should feel snug. Not too painful, not too loose, just snug. And here's a pro tip. Helmet padding naturally settles in use. A slightly snug helmet becomes comfortable over time. A loose helmet just gets looser. Why head shapes matters? Here's something most riders don't know. Head matters as much as helmet size. Two riders can have the exact same head measurement but still need a different helmet. Why? Some helmets have rounder internal shape whereas others are designed for more intermediate or longer oval shapes. That's why one helmet can feel perfect whereas the other one creates pressure points even though they are same. So don't choose a helmet just because your friend has the same brand or size. Choose the one that suits your head. Coming to helmet care. Now that you've found the perfect helmet, let's keep it in great condition. Think of your helmet in three different parts: the shell, the visor, and the internal padding. For the shell, use a microfiber cloth with a dedicated helmet cleaner. For the visor, never wipe it while it's dusty. Rinse it with water first, then clean it using a microfiber cloth and a visor cleaner to help prevent scratches. For the interior, if your helmet has removable liners, hand wash them with mild detergent or baby shampoo every couple of months or more often if you ride regularly. Let them air dry completely in the shade before putting them back. A quick tips before we end. Never buy a helmet just because it looks good. Never hang your helmet in a bike's mirror for a very long time. If your helmet has taken a significant impact, replace it even if it looks completely fine. Your helmet is designed for only one job, that is protecting you. So take good care of it and it will take good care of you. We hope this video helped you how to choose the right helmet and how to maintain it properly. If you're still unsure about which helmet suits you the best, do visit MotoDrift HSR Layout or Indranagar and we will help you try different brands, different fits so that you get the right one for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such riding guides. In our next episode, we will help you choose the right pair of gloves. Until then, ride safe and I'll see you in the next one.